Dylan Rees, cic gornel. Mae'n mynd at y posti pella, Jordan Lamb nôl mewn I canol at Will Evans. Dylan Rees yn penio. Pen y bont, maen nhw angen clirio nawr. Y pwysau'n cynyddu Will Evans at Ashley Morris. A mae yna hawlio bod yna lawio, os. Mae yna lawio. Mae Dean John yn pwyntio at y smotin. A'r Met yn anhapus. Yn gyrru'r bel I gefn y rhwyd ar ôl I Dean John chwythu. Elliot Evans, di sgorio 7 yn y gyngred. Ac nawr yn sgorio yn y gwpan I roi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen. Lawr y canol athi a Morris yn neidio i'w dde. Hawdd I seren y Met. Wolo sta hi nawr, pen y bont sta meddiant. Wolo dal I fynd. Mlaen at Phipps sy'n troi. Lygydio! Mae'n feddi dros y bar tro hyn. Tabled arall I ben y bont. Mae yna Gwrila ar y ca. Eli Phipps yn dal I frest. Miles Davis oedd yn cerdded hibo fe. A mae fe off. Matthew George y cam sefyll. Pen y bont yn gwastraffu cyfle, ar ôl cyfle nawr. Matthew George am gael cerdyn coch am Gega ar y Llimanwr. Ac nawr 10 dins dar ddau dîm. Be ymlaen at Rhys Griffiths. Unwaith eto Rhys Griffiths yn casglu. Ciro Woolridge yn bwydo'r bas at Nathan Wood. Nathan Wood mewn i'r cwrt. Nathan Wood! Miliwn i'r sgôr I ben y bont! Am rama hwyr! 2 funud o'r 90 yn weddill. A gol gampus gan pen y bont. Siawns gewn ni amser ychwanegol yma. Dan Griffiths at Kit Hudson. Yn trio cael y bas at Rhys Griffiths y reolwr. Cosby. Ond at Elliot Evans. Elliot Evans yn troi. Yn cymryd I amser. Ac yn rhoi'r myfyrwyr yn syth nôl ar y blaen. 2 gol o fewn 2 funud. Ac Elliot Evans yr arwr unwaith eto yn sgorio ail o'r noson. Maen nhw'n gofod unioni'r sgôr unwaith eto I gael hanner awr o amser ychwanegol. Rhys Griffiths ar peniad. Wolo yn rhithro fewn at gefn Liam Warman. A Wolo gyda blaen I fraich mewn I gefn Warman yn cael ail gerdyn melyn. Mae pen y bont lawr I 9 dîn nawr.
I thought we were outstanding, absolutely. Got no qualms about Miles' red card. The dark arts were there, still on his toe, but you can't react in the way he did. And then I think we were probably masterclasses at shape without the ball. And there's many times I've said that you can win a game without the ball, and we showed that tonight. Other than the goal that they scored, which really is a mistake from ourselves, put the ball in the box. They've had 1 shot on target in 75 minutes, and I thought we were outstanding. I thought we thoroughly deserved to win, and just thought it was a classy performance by the team, both in play and stature, and the values and beliefs that they carried of themselves on the pitch.
Up to the sending off, it was an even game. We were causing them big problems on the break, and they were causing us problems with their quality. And then the sending off meant that then they had something to sort of sit back and defend. And obviously we dominated from there on in, as you'd expect. But we couldn't produce the quality the second week running, really, to get the goal. Well, the goals we needed. Obviously we did get a little bit of quality there from Nathan Wood with the goal. And then we gave away a sloppy goal straight afterwards, which was really frustrating.
Since I took over in 2009, the Welsh Cup has always been something I've endeared to win, and we've got the quarter-finals, we've got the semi-finals, and it's always been the cup that I've respected, and we'll always play off with full strength side. So we look forward to whoever. I honestly believe that on our day we can beat anybody in this league, and you know, we go into the next round, and it's something nice to keep taking us along, and you know, we'd have great pleasure in going further and further in the cup. And I was glad we showed character tonight. There's 3 games on the bounce. Where I thought our performances have been outstanding, and we were tonight, just as I say, with and without the ball.